If you are feeling overwhelmed by debt in 2026, you are not alone. Millions of people face the challenge of paying off loans, credit cards, and other financial obligations every year. The good news is that with the right approach and a determined mindset, it is possible to come out of debt faster than you might think. Today, we will walk through proven strategies that can help you take control of your finances, eliminate debt quickly, and build a brighter financial future. Before you can tackle your debt, it is crucial to understand exactly what you owe. Start by making a comprehensive list of all your debts. Include the creditor, total balance, interest rate, and minimum monthly payment for each one. This gives you a clear picture of your financial situation and helps you identify which debts are costing you the most. Knowing your numbers is the foundation for any successful debt payoff plan, and it empowers you to make informed decisions as you move forward. A solid budget is your best friend on the journey to becoming debt-free. Track your income and every expense, from rent and groceries to streaming services and morning coffees. Identify areas where you can cut back and redirect that money toward your debt payments. Remember, a budget is not about restriction, but about making your money work for you. By prioritizing needs over wants and sticking to your spending plan, you will free up cash to accelerate your debt repayment. One popular strategy for paying off debt quickly is the debt snowball method. With this approach, you focus on paying off your smallest debt first while making minimum payments on the others. Once the smallest is gone, you move to the next smallest, and so on. Each time you eliminate a debt, you gain momentum and motivation. This sense of accomplishment can be a powerful motivator, helping you stay committed as you see real progress along the way. Alternatively, the debt avalanche method targets debts with the highest interest rates first. By paying off high-interest debts as quickly as possible, you reduce the total amount of interest paid over time. While this method may not provide the quick wins of the snowball approach, it can save you more money in the long run. Choose the strategy that best fits your personality and financial goals, and remember, consistency is key to success. Boosting your income can significantly speed up your debt repayment. Consider taking on a part-time job, freelancing, or starting a side hustle. Even selling unused items around your home can provide extra cash. In 2026, the gig economy offers countless opportunities to earn more money from the comfort of your home. Every additional dollar you earn can be put directly toward your debts, shrinking your balances faster than you might expect. Review your spending and look for expenses you can reduce or eliminate. Cancel unused subscriptions, cook at home instead of dining out, and shop for deals on essentials. Small changes add up quickly and can free up substantial funds for debt repayment. Challenge yourself to find creative ways to save, and remember that every dollar saved is another step closer to financial freedom. Debt consolidation can simplify your payments and potentially lower your interest rates. Consider transferring high-interest credit card balances to a card with a lower rate or taking out a personal loan to combine multiple debts into one manageable monthly payment. Be sure to read the fine print and understand any fees involved. Consolidation is not a cure-all, but it can make your debt more manageable and help you stay organized. Staying motivated is essential on your debt-free journey. Celebrate small victories, track your progress, and remind yourself why you started. Surround yourself with supportive friends or join online communities focused on financial freedom. Remember, setbacks are normal, but persistence will get you to your goal. If you would like more content like this, remember to like the video and subscribe to stay updated whenever we release something new.